Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will explore how to use the UNICHAR function in Excel to generate special Unicode characters dynamically. Let's get started. This method can be useful for creating numbered lists, organizing data, or adding visual markers to your spreadsheets without manually inserting symbols. To generate these special characters in Excel, follow these steps. Open Excel and select a blank cell. Enter the formula, UNICHAR row 9311. Press Enter and the Unicode character will appear. Drag the formula down to apply it to multiple rows, creating an automatic numbered list. That's how you can use the UNICHAR function to generate Unicode characters in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you in the next video.